God damn. This is a do-it-yourself microdose volumetric edition. Essentially, I'm going to teach you how to do it. But it's all for goofs and gaffs, So we have the liquid, all right? So the liquid can be anything that doesn't mold, all right? I use vodka, $5 vodka, cheap. You got the substance. You understand this part. And then you got the container. I prefer glass as long as it seals. Amber glass is, you're not going to put this out in the sun anyway. And the measuring tool. All right, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking my measuring tool and measuring out exactly 10 doses, right? So that's 10 milliliters, since my little measuring tool, one full suction in, is 1 milliliter. So 10 milliliters. My substance has got 100 UG. So you do the math. 1 milliliter is equal to 10 UG. That's basically what that's what we're doing here. So you basically, once you put it all in there, like I'm doing here, you see I'm putting it in there. You want this to sit for at least 24 hours. Just to, you can start around whatever, but just let it sit. And make sure you label your stuff, all right? I'm going to put more information in the description so you can understand this a little better, since this is just a very, very quick understanding of how you do this, or how I do this, But just understand this is all at your own risk, and have fun. Make sure that you keep yourself safe. That's always the number one priority. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this.